How to set and add a username for your profile on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook, go here to the top, click on settings and privacy. Now after you click on settings and privacy, click here on settings and go to public posts. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go down here and you will find username, click on it and you will be able to set a username for your profile easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.